day to all. Recently, DTEK has been installing new meters, day and night. How good is this counter? During the day, this meter will count at the daily rate. At night at a rate that is half the price. Billing starts at night from 2300 hours to 7 o'clock. And in the daytime from 7 to 2300 hours. At the moment I have a Gama 100 meter. Let's figure out how to use it. First of all, you need to deal with the upper and lower readings. The upper readings are the codes set by DTEK. Each organization has its own and can have different meanings. The lower readings are date, time, day data, night data, and general data. At this moment, the bottom of the dial is the time. 14 hours 29 minutes and 32 seconds. The next moment is the date 29/12/2020 asterisk. The upper part is the date code 0.9.2. Next comes the total meter reading 249.7 kilowatts. 15.8.0 is the total value code. Further daily reading is 224.7 kilowatts. Code at the top 15.8.1. And nighttime 25.0 kilowatts. Night indication code 15.8.2. The code is set by DTEK. Next comes the power, at the moment 0.23 code 1.7.0. And again everything is in a circle 0.9.1 the upper part of the dial. 14:30, 36 is the time. How good is this counter? The fact that it automatically transmits readings to the service organization. Costs for bypassers are reduced. That's all. If the video was helpful, please like and subscribe to the channel.